Welcome to the second summit of the Matatag Curriculum Pilot Implementers. It's a beautiful day here at the Philippine International Convention Center, and we are thrilled to have all of you joining us for this pivotal gathering of education champions.
Absolutely, Ma'am Lea. Today is all about collaboration, innovation, and commitment to our Matatag curriculum, which continues to transform how we deliver quality education to all our learners.
We hope that while you were waiting for the program to begin, you were able to take this time to network with fellow educators, curriculum specialists, and leaders from across the nation. You are among the best and brightest minds in education. So let's start building connections and sharing insights.
We have an exciting day ahead filled with inspiring stories, actionable strategies, and collaborative discussions to propel our Matatag curriculum forward.
Ladies and gentlemen, indeed, the moment has arrived. May we kindly request everyone to take your seats as we officially begin the second summit of the Matatag Curriculum Pilot Implementers.
Indeed, Ma'am Lea, this is not just an event. This is a movement. A movement that underscores our shared commitment to providing our Filipino learners with education that empowers and inspires. As such, let us open this momentous occasion by standing together for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, to be followed by a doxology with Ms. Sheila R. Valeria Cuna from the Schools Division of Makati City, leading. May we all rise.